Hey folks, PoorGuy outdoor cooking coming your way. So here's my Oklahoma Joe. We're doing a video of how we like to make homemade chicken noodle soup. Uh, so this is what I got going on. I got my Oklahoma Joes here, and there's a rotisserie chicken. Bought a 2-pack at Walmart for less than $14. So what I did was I took my expert grill rotisserie, took the legs off it, and stuck it in my Oklahoma Joes. Fits in there perfectly. It seals up, so it cooks in a fraction of the time. It seals in the juice is pretty good too. So this is going to be the first leg of the video. This is on a Saturday afternoon, and I'm getting the rotisserie chicken ready. As soon as that's done cooking, Aiden and I will pull it apart, and we'll make a bone broth and use that for our chicken noodle soup. You'll see one video, but I'm doing 2 parts today, Saturday, and then the rest we're going to have chicken noodle soup. Homemade chicken noodle soup, PoorGuy style, tomorrow on Sunday when you'll see this video. I just got a handful of the Blues Hog logs in there, and I made this rub myself. It is paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and a hint of thyme. So that's what I came up with for this rotisserie chicken. So I'll check back with you as soon as this is done and show you what it looks like and how long it took. All right, be back. Peace. Hello. All right, look at my chicken. Uh, two hours, right around 2 hours. That's what we're looking at, folks. I just temped it all over it with my little thermopop. This thing's awesome, by the way. 20 something dollars at the thermopop site. Not that they're a sponsor, but that thing works seamlessly. I got a few more degrees to go on the breast. The dark meat is good. So like I said, we're doing the rotisserie chicken on Saturday. We're going to do the soup on Sunday, and we're actually going to do it out on the Camp Chef because this is outdoor cooking. And it's a very basic recipe, but we really enjoy it. We're going to let this cool down. We're going to pull it apart. And then Aiden has a technique to make bone broth, which we'll be using in the soup tomorrow. Just some egg noodles, potatoes, and carrots. So stay tuned if you dare. Peace. Cooking with Black Iowa. Shout out, Matt. All right. Hey, it's turned into a lazy Sunday football watching day. All right. I want you to check it out. This is the bone broth that Aiden actually made from the leftover carcass from the chicken. Okay. So this is the way we do it. Here's some, I don't know, partially cooked egg noodles. Let's go ahead and put those in there. And I got this warming up of my Camp Chef Explorer. So this is half a bag of just regular old egg noodles. Stir that in. Okay. And 1 rotisserie chicken. This is half of what we got from it. The other half is going to be used for quesadillas on Tuesday. That's some good looking chicken. I was cutting this up. It was so soft and tender. Oh, watch out, Tori. Watch out, Tori. I hope I have my mic on. Okay. So here's all the chicken. This is PoorGuy chicken noodle soup. Now this is where I get ridiculed. Okay. 2 cans of diced potatoes. Why? Because as Matt from Black Iowa would say, I ain't got time for that shit. Whoops. Yeah, if you don't know Black Iowa, Cooking with Black Iowa, you ought to give them a look. I know most of the people that watch our channel know of Matt, but he's a great dude. Bought this t-shirt from him. He's got a great Halloween episode coming up. Or I think it's out today, actually. So yeah, it's out today. Sliced carrots. Now look at, we got this Camp Chef and we're cooking outdoors. We cooked the chicken outdoors. And I've got a hand can opener. This is good prepping stuff, is it not, honey?
It is.
It is. So you can throw these cans of cut potatoes and carrots, throw them in your cupboard, cook your chicken outside, warm up your Camp Chef, and make yourself a delicious soup. Take a look. Oh, yeah. Aiden outdid himself with this chicken broth. I can tell you right now. He worked on this most of the night. He pulled the chicken apart, added onion, celery. I'm not sure what else he did. That's his deal. And let it simmer for about 6 to 8 hours overnight. I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper. I'm not going to add any salt. We need salt when we eat. We'll go ahead and do that ourselves. But yeah, PoorGuy chicken noodle soup. This is exactly how we do it, and this obviously will last more than one meal. We'll have it today, Sunday, and I think we have it on the meal schedule for Wednesday, I believe. And by the looks of that, we might even get 3 meals out of it. So the chicken was like $7. The canned vegetables, we'll say $2 for the 3 of them. The egg noodles are what, $1? $1.50. I used half of it, 75 cents. It's about $10, less than $11. And we could get 3 meals out of this. We might even let Tori take a little bit back to college with her. I haven't decided that yet. It depends how good she is for the rest of the day. So yeah, we're gonna get this bubbling up, and I'll pour some in a bowl, and we'll show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna go in the house and eat it on a football Sunday in beautiful fall Oklahoma. Okay, when I come back, I'll show you what it looks like in a bowl. Bye, peace. Hi, the soup is done. Oh, look at it. Oh, it smells so good. Some carrots are floating. Let me just show you what it looks like in a nice little bowl here, and then we're gonna take this in the house, and we're gonna eat this for supper on a lazy Sunday, a football Sunday. Oh yeah! Like I said, it's pretty inexpensive. It's pretty easy, and it's also good. It's hearty, and like I said, we'll get 3 meals out of this for the 4 of us. This is how we do chicken noodle soup here at the PoorGuy household. Everybody enjoys it. Make soup your way. Add what you want: onions, celery, all the 9 yards. This is what we do. Basic, easy. Rotisserie chicken, some canned vegetables, and some egg noodles. It's that simple. Yeah, that's what we got today. Yep, outdoor cooking. PoorGuy outdoor cooking. Happy fall, y'all. Oh boy. Again, if you don't know him, where you been? Check out Matt Cooking with Black Iowa. He is a lot of fun. Check out his Halloween episode that he put out today. It's awesome. All right. I'll share a link for his channel if anybody's interested in that, if you don't know him. All right. That's what we got this week. Hey, guess I'll have to clean this spoon. Yeah. He liked it. Frodo liked it. All right, guys. Peace.